नमस्कार, माझे नाव सौ निशा निकम. माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचे सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आणि माझ्या चॅनलचे नाव आहे एन स्क्वेअर. क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट सायन्स, चॅप्टर 2 हेल्थ अँड डिसीजेस. टॉपिक आहे एक्सरसाइज. इन्फेक्शियस अँड नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस. डिस्टिंग्विश आहे. First, distinguish diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. Insects and other animals are called as infectious diseases. Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as non-infectious diseases. Second point आहे, diseases spread quickly. Disease is restricted to the person. Third point आहे, these are caused by microbes. These are caused due to genetic abnormalities wearing out of tissues. Example आहे इन्फ्लुएन्झा, ट्युबरक्युलोसिस. आणि नॉन इन्फेक्शियसचे एक्झाम्पल आहे नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस आणि डायबिटीज एक्सेट्रा. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, आयडेंटिफाय द ऑड टर्म. फर्स्ट आहे मलेरिया, हेपॅटायटिस, एलिफंटासिस अँड डेंग्यू. आन्सर आहे हेपॅटायटिस, कारण बाकी सगळे डिसीज इन्सेक्ट्सपासून होणारे आहे. बी प्लेग, एड्स, कॉलरा, TB. आन्सर आहे एड्स, कारण एड्स हा आजार नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज आहे आणि प्लेग, कॉलरा, TB हे इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस आहेत. क्वेश्चन थर्ड, आन्सर इन 1 to 2 sentences. क्वेश्चन आहे विच आर वेरियस मीडिया ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग द इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस. Infectious diseases can spread from one infected person to another by contaminated food or water, or by transfusion of blood, or by sharing or needles. क्वेश्चन थर्ड मधला सेकंड क्वेश्चन आहे, गिव द नेम्स ऑफ 5 नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीजेस अदर दॅन गिवन इन द लेसन. फर्स्ट ओबेसिटी, किडनी डिसीजेस, क्रॉनिक किडनी डिसीजेस. फोर्थ आहे ऑस्टिओप्रोसिस. क्वेश्चन थर्ड मधला थर्ड क्वेश्चन आहे, विच आर द मेन रिझन्स ऑफ डायबिटीज अँड हार्ट डिसीजेस. ओबेसिटी, लॅक ऑफ फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, हेरिडिटी आर द मेन रिझन्स ऑफ डायबिटीज अँड हार्ट डिसीजेस. क्वेश्चन फोर्थ आहे, व्हॉट कॅन बी अचीव ऑर कॅन बी प्रिव्हेंटेड. क्वेश्चन आहे फर्स्ट, ड्रिंकिंग बॉईल अँड फिल्टर वॉटर. आन्सर आहे जर्म स्प्रेड थ्रू फेसेस ऑफ पेशंट. दे पास इनटू वॉटर और फूड. इफ सच कंटामिनेटेड वॉटर इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, others may get the infection of that germs. Therefore, we should drink boiled and filter water. Boiling destroys the germs in the water and therefore we are protected against the germs in order to keep our health safe. So we should drink boiled water. Fourth question मधला second point आहे, avoid smoking and alcoholism. First, drinking alcohol also has adverse effect on the body. Second point आहे, alcoholism causes diseases of the liver, intestine and urinary bladder. Third point आहे, smoking causes ulcers in mouth. Fourth point आहे, the ulcer develop into bigger wounds. The person may develop tumors. If one keeps smoking over a long time, the toxic substances in the smoke collect in the respiratory tract. So avoid smoking and alcoholism. Third question आहे, regular balanced diet and exercise. The diet containing carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals in proper proportion and the one that gives nutrition in right quantities is called balanced diet. Balanced diet keeps the health fit and fine. Along with nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for growth and development. Lack of exercise also affects growth adversely. Next question आहे proper checking of blood before blood donation. One can prevent a fatal disease AIDS if blood is screened before transfusion. Question 5 आहे read the passage and answer the questions. Master X is a 3 years old child. He is living with his family in a slum. Public toilet is present near his house. His father is drunk. His mother does not know the importance of balanced diet. That question 1 आहे Master X can suffer from which different possible diseases in above conditions? Answer आहे He may suffer from malnutrition, anemia, weakness and stunted growth. Second question आहे How will you help him and his family in this situation? We can direct them to medical clean institution, give them training about clean healthy habits and awareness program highlighting the importance of healthy nutritious food can be arranged. Third question आहे Which disease can occur to the father of Master? The father of Master X can suffer from cancer, heart attack, liver failure. Question 6. Give the preventive measures of the following diseases. Disease आहे dengue. We should see to that water should not kept open. Waterlogged areas should be fumigated or sprayed by DDT. Plants having dishes below it should be checked for water. Water can get collected into it. Boil water before consumption. Second, disease आहे cancer. Controlled diet helps to prevent some types of cancers. Physical exercise along with modern treatment is more beneficial to cure the cancer. Avoiding addiction like tobacco chewing, smoking, etc. Next disease आहे AIDS. People should be educated about transmission of AIDS. Before transfusion, one must be sure that it has been screened for HIV. There is no cure but prevention is the only way to stop it. Explain the importance. Question 7 आहे. त्यात आहे first balanced diet. A diet which contains all the constituents in the proper proportion like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, vitamins and minerals is termed as balanced diet. Balanced diet depends on age, kind of work and gender. In childhood, children grow fast. They need more proteins than the senior people. Every food group is essential for our body. Each food group has its own special nutrition. By taking equal proportion, we can have a balanced diet. Next point आहे physical exercise and yogasanas. A strong physique and alert mind developed through regular exercise, participation in games, yoga abhyas can keep one free from diseases. Physical exercise helps to include self-discipline. It also aims to maintain a good quality life. It makes the students develop team spirit and attain leadership qualities. It develops a stress-free environment, sportsmanship and mental strength. Make a list. Question 8 आहे. Viral diseases. Chickenpox, influenza, rabies, chikungunya, hepatitis, polio, AIDS, dengue, etc. Next आहे. Bacterial diseases. Typhoid, tetanus, food poisoning, diarrhea, cholera, whooping cough, etc. Diseases spread through insects, malaria, dengue, elephantiasis, chikungunya, etc. And last आहे hereditary diseases. heart diseases, cancer, Down syndrome, etc. Write the information on modern diagnostic and treatments of cancer. Various techniques like CT scan, MRI scan, mammography, biopsy are used in diagnosis of cancer. In case of treatment, along with conventional methods like chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery, modern techniques like robotic and laparoscopic surgery are also followed. Third point आहे, it is also include PET scan which helps to detect how far has the disease spread. 10th question, enlist the names and composition of the medicines present at your home. Name of medicine, composition. Medicine name आहे paracetamol 500 mg tablet. Composition आहे paracetamol. Crocin 650 mg. Composition आहे paracetamol IP 650 mg. Cyclopam tablet. Paracetamol and dicyclomine. Ceridon. Paracetamol propylphenidine. होमवर्क आहे, राईट ऑल नोट्स फ्रॉम व्हिडिओ. तुम्हाला माझा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, माझ्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला प्रेस करायला विसरू नका.